इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर बेस्ड मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर डिस्क्राइबिंग इनक्रिप्टेड डेटा? आंसर इज साइफर टेक्स्ट। Next question is dash is used to divide tracks into basic elements such as tracks, sectors and cylinders. Answer is second one, low level formatting. Which of the following is not Microsoft software? Answer is Firefox. Fifth one. Which of the following is the official language for developing Android applications? Answer is first one, Java language. Which of the following is not true regarding BCC option in emails? Answer is fifth one, BCC is mandatory while sending mails. Which of the following is the process of analyzing data from different perspectives and summarizing it into useful information? Answer is data mining. First one. Which of the following is not directly related to integrated chips used in computer? Answer is magnetic tape storage. First one. Unit time in which data can be read from or written to a memory storage device is referred to as, answer is throughput. Third one. Which of the following devices is widely used in modern digital cameras to store photographs? Answer is memory card. Third one. Which of the following persons is the inventor of Bitcoin, a digital currency system? Answer is third one, Satoshi Nakamoto. Which of the following executes the program step by step and points out errors line by line? Answer is interpreter. Second one. With respect to a network interface card, the term 10 by 100 refers to which of the following? Answer is third one, megabits per second. The software used to drive microprocessor based system is called, answer is assembly language programs. First one. Which of the following shaped boxes is used in a flow chart for making decisions? Answer is diamond. Third one. What is the set of rules and practices that regulates how a system or organization protocols sensitive and critical sensitive resources? Answer is security policy. First one. Which of the following is a major threat related to private data of customers collected by the organization? Answer is third one, identity theft. On a web page, dash is a smaller version of a larger graphics. Answer is thumbnail. What is the goal of CRM? Answer is to learn the behavior and buying habits of your customer. Decision in which the decision maker must provide judgment, evaluation and insights into the problem definition would be characterized as, answer is second one, unstructured. What is the name of an application program that gathered user information and sends it to someone through the internet? Answer is Spybot. Third one.